Okay, hi everyone. Okay, I would like to share with you how to resolve this Elementor 404 error. Okay, let's say we click this update button and it will come up like this: server error 404 not found. Okay, how to resolve this? Okay, actually you can go to cpanel. Okay, into the cpanel, search for Modsecurity. Get inside, disable all. Okay, let's try. One more time. Yeah, okay, done. Alright, since you have disabled this, you have to enable it back again to make sure your website is fully secure. Okay, and that's how it's done. Alright, thank you very much and have a nice day.